Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2017 Mazda CX-3 Touring. This one's finished in Meteor Gray mica, 29,679 miles. Pretty low mileage for the year. Stay. Take a look under the hood at that 2.0. Not bad at all. Of course, this one's yet to be detailed, but this will all be cleaned up for the next owner. Original window sticker, 2017 CX-3 Touring all-wheel drive, Skyactiv 2.0, the 6-speed automatic transmission, 146 horsepower, 146 pound-feet of torque. Only option this one has was wheel locks. This was delivered originally to Quirk Mazda in Quincy, and the total price, including delivery, was $24,165. Yeah, nice materials in here. I love Mazdas. They use great materials, faux carbon fiber. Nice backup camera. We're going to start in normal mode. Then I'll use this switch, bump it into sport. And then we might even use manual mode just to test that out. But yeah, let's go for a drive. CX-3 is Mazda's compact crossover, kind of taking on your Chevrolet Trax, cars like that. Mazda was always and has always been focused on driver enjoyment, driver feel. Their slogan a couple years back was Zoom Zoom. And that is very prevalent in the feel of this car. With 148 horsepower, you might not expect it to be the zippiest car in the world. But it doesn't weigh a ton, and it really gets out of its own way, and the short little wheelbase really makes this thing a riot to drive. Nice and smooth on the highway. Seating position is excellent. Visibility is phenomenal. Steering feel is also extremely nice, even in normal mode. With sport mode, it sharpens up a little bit. Thoroughly impressive. Definitely excited to get this thing on the back roads section where we can try it out on some turns. Bump it into sport mode. It's going to change your transmission tuning, your throttle response, and things like that. You'll see it holds revs pretty high up for sport mode. See what I mean by it just holds revs? That's why I prefer manual mode. You can control that. And it really is a great transmission. Typical 6-speed torque converter auto. In typical Mazda fashion, they do it the enthusiast way, where down is an upshift and up is a downshift. Seems counterintuitive when I talk about it, but if you think about G-forces, when you accelerate, it's pulling you back, so it's a lot easier to pull the shifter backwards than go against the force and push it up. Same thing, but vice versa under braking. No turbocharger on the 2.0 Skyactiv motor, but in the upper RPMs it really pulls. And I mean, I'm not asking for more power. I mean, sure, they can make a Mazda speed version with like 250 horsepower and be an absolute rocket ship, but that's not what this car was designed to do. It's designed to be a fun crossover Miata, and that's exactly what it is. It feels like a crossover Miata, which is very difficult to do just due to the balance of the Miata, but I can feel it. It's the Miata heritage in the CX-3. Hell, you can even feel it in the CX-9. You know, that big crossover, the big SUV, you can still feel that the lessons Mazda learned with the Miata coming through to their SUV models. It's pretty impressive. And I thoroughly believe Mazdas are some of the best driving vehicles on the market today in all classes, except for supercars because they don't have one. Mazda, please bring back the RX-8 and make it quick. Don't make it a crossover, please. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.